As part of efforts geared towards enhancing seamless and contactless financial services in Nigeria, the NQR payment solution was launched in Lagos. Powered by the Nigerian interbank settlement system, it marked another positive step by the nation in embracing innovation for its growing payment system. Remarks by Mr. Niyi Ajao, Deputy Managing Director, echoed the fact that Nigeria has evolved into a dynamic market and has embraced innovation in the payments industry.
I want to especially recognize all our merchants, bank customers, merchants that we are relying on that will use this. This service is for you, all our merchants. And when we say merchants, that is anybody who does any kind of business where you need to be paid by somebody. For us, when we say merchants, you may be a barber, or you operate a salon, or you run a supermarket, you run an hotel, you run an eatery, whoever does something that people need to buy goods and services and people need to make payment for. Today, I say it's for you. We brought a new service that enables you to receive payments from your customers. So I say congratulations to merchants too, and to their customers. Every merchant has customers, those who need to buy their goods and services and make payment to them. Today, I say it's your day. Bank customers, that is merchants, and the customers of merchants. The development of the NQR as an industry QR code-based payment method, which is powered by NIBSS, but the work on it has been done by all stakeholders. As we are all aware, NIBSS is the shared service company for the banking and payments industry. So NIBSS has not done this in isolation. And that's why I'm so happy that we have all the stakeholders with us today. We have all worked together these past couple of weeks to put this together to domesticate the NQR as a mode of payment, and we're here today celebrating. NIBSS, banks, and other payment service providers have collaborated over the years to continuously enhance the Nigeria payment system in the area of product innovation and security. And a lot has been achieved over the years. In fact, I've always said it boldly everywhere that by the time you are looking at countries that have done well in payments, Nigeria ranks very high. Just compare Nigeria with every other country, we rank very high. We've done so much. Today, we are raising the bar again, coming up with the NQR, with NQR code payments for all our customers. So I want to welcome all of us to this historic event, and I congratulate all stakeholders for making this innovation possible, having worked assiduously these past weeks to get the product ready.
Unveiling the NQR payment solution, the Deputy Governor, Financial System Stability, Central Bank of Nigeria, Mrs. Aisha Ahmad, reiterated the commitment of the CBN to providing an enabling environment for interoperability in the financial sector.
The NQR payment solution, coming soon after the QR code framework, will bridge an important gap within Nigeria's fast-evolving payments landscape. It unifies QR code schemes across the country, offers a robust payment platform that delivers instant value for P2B and P2P transactions, offers flexible payment options for customers, and a much improved customer experience. The scheme will also allow a more convenient and efficient integration process, leveraging APIs. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I must also highlight the benefits of this new product to merchants who are provided with a centralized QR code management system, an efficient dispute resolution platform with seamless merchant onboarding and robust reporting analytics functionality. All of this is expected to reduce the cost of financial services, deepen financial inclusion, and grow economic and business activity through increased payment activities at merchant outlets. It is gratifying to note that in line with global best practice, the NQR payment solution is based on the EMV QR code specification, which provides some comfort on the security of the platform and its flexibility and customizability, ensuring that the solution is interoperable and internationally recognized and accepted. Whilst commending NIBSS for this trailblazing achievement, the CBN, as regulator of the banking and payment system, is committed to providing an enabling regulatory environment that ensures interoperability, proper market conduct, and continued innovation within the financial services ecosystem to foster healthy competition, high-quality services, and financial inclusion. The bank recently released the regulatory framework for sandbox operations in Nigeria and the guidelines on open banking with the objective to open up the terrain for more transformational ideas and encouraging more startup companies to grow and contribute to the overall economic development in Nigeria. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as we unveil this historic national QR payment solution, we enjoin all critical stakeholders in the payment ecosystem to enlighten and educate the public about this innovative platform for enhancing contactless and seamless payment solutions within the Nigerian payment system.
Bank CEOs in Nigeria endorsed the NQR payment solution.
I want to congratulate NIBSS and especially the Managing Director, Mr. Premier Oiwoh and his team.
Congratulate the CBN and NIBSS for the efforts and resources they have put into actualizing this.
Thank you, NIBSS, for this development. Digital, convenient, accessible, and health compliant. Congratulations, NIBSS.
So definitely this is a standard that we are very proud that we are part of.
I'd like to seize this opportunity to congratulate the board and management of Nigerian Interbank Settlement System for the introduction of the QR code.
This is a very huge, innovative idea that is going to deepen and expand our payment system. Today, it's our pledge to the forefront of payment revolution in Nigeria. And let's keep it up as we continue to expand and develop our payment system.
The MD, DMD, and some of the officers in NIBSS speaks further on the product launch.
This will change the landscape seriously. For me, I think over the year we've not had a solution for micropayments. As you see, the problem of change, it's a bigger problem for us when people want to make a payment. You want to pay somebody, you want to get a change of 50 naira, or you want to give a tip of 100 naira to somebody. I'm yet to see a payment system that is well suited for that. NQR is ideal for that. Even by the time you see the pricing, when the bank begin to tell us the pricing, you see very clearly when the pricing. This is a payment solution that will really take us to the next level. Micropayments, the financially excluded can now participate fully in payments. And in fact, from statistics that we have, there are just about 400,000 POS terminals in this country now. A country of about 200 million people. That's too few a number. The number has not grown much because to do card payment on POS, the bank needs to buy a POS terminal. That's expensive. They import it. It's too expensive. But with NQR, the merchant can get paid electronically without that investment of in a POS terminal. Just a QR code in your camera or printed on a paper is all you require to receive payments. I'm really excited that this will take the payment system in Nigeria to the next level.
I'm excited about this too, but in terms of risk management, how secure is this platform from cyber threats and the challenges of hackers, considering Nigeria being one of those soft spots for crimes like this?
Yeah, see, the comfort I have and the comfort I want to give to all, to the banking public, to all our people out there, is the fact that this service runs on the National Central Switch, the Nigeria Central Switch that NIBSS operates on behalf of all the banks. That system has a lot of security apparatus around it already. It's inspected by the Central Bank on a continuous basis. We have a Chief Information Security Officer who coordinates to ensure that it's well guarded against all cyber crimes. So NQR is running on that same platform. So we're so confident that we shouldn't have any of these incidents, cyber crime incidents and all that. Because we continuously, and you know, cyber crime is a serious thing in the world we live in now. It's like a cat and mouse game. As you are protecting your system, they look for other ways. So we continuously watch what is going on, and we continually deploy the best technology to ensure that any attempt to our system, we're able to know and we're able to block it.
So in developing this product, NQR, how will it change the financial services industry activities, improve transactions, and reduce cost of service even to merchants and even financial inclusion?
Thank you very much for that question. Number one, convenience. Because it's very easy for merchants and subscribers to onboard. It makes it easy for them so it will drive micropayments. Today, if you go to the very, very micro level, the pepper sellers, the vendors and things like that, they still collect payments through cash. But with NQR, they don't need to invest in the cost of expensive infrastructure. They just need to print the QR and Nigerians can scan and pay. And that is it. So that will drive financial inclusion at the bottom of the pyramid. Then, of course, it is also COVID compliant because I don't need to touch you. You don't need to touch me in order to make payments. You display your QR and I scan. It can even be from phone to phone. God so good, I have two phones here. So this is the merchant displaying his QR. This is the subscriber scanning, and that is it. It is done in 3 seconds, just 3 steps. Thank you very much.
This NQR solution is quite interesting. How does it help support the micro, small, medium enterprise? We're hearing a lot about improving micropayments. So take us through that.
Okay, so definitely the NQR solution is an effective solution that will support P2P in terms of person-to-person transactions, as well as the P2M, or what you call P2B, which is person to merchant or person to business. It is very friendly in terms of the pricing. It has the best price in the market today, and the cost to serve is very low. Again, the interoperability feature is also available, which means that you can transact from one financial environment to the other financial environment, and it delivers instant value to the merchants today, unlike what you have in the market in some other offerings where the value is delivered in T+1 or T+2. But it delivers instant value, and I think that's the most critical thing I must mention that makes the merchant to be very happy along with the pricing. Thank you.
Now this product is very innovative, and we help the financial ecosystem. One is going to help improve the faster payment and efficient payment within the ecosystem. It's going to reduce the use of cash. We've been for some time now, we've been promoting go cashless, go cashless. So this is one of the channels that will be used. The advantage of this is that if you are a tomato seller, you are a taxi driver, or whatever kind of business you do, you are a barber, you can easily consume this. All I need is just my phone to scan and then make payment, and you get your alert instantly. So there's P2P aspect of it, and there's P2B aspect of it. So it's certainly going to improve comments. And for those online websites that sells goods and services, you can also make payment via the NQR. And even for tax and state government authorities and so on, you can make bills now available with NQR code on it, and then you just scan and make your payment straight. You are either paying tax or you are paying for any other type of services.
The business case really is that it's going to enhance the P2P business opportunities. It's equally going to enhance the P2B business opportunities. For those of us who don't know what it is person to person, and then of course person to business. So typically you find that the merchants are the business names that you want to interact with, and as a person you want to deal with them. The use case in Nigeria are so many, and they're looking at us in the faces. For all of us, we know what happens in traffic. I mean, you see a lot of people running and they want to get payment and change. You can imagine if they have the QR code hanging on their chest, and you can do a kind of scan and, pay on the traffic. That is the business case, in terms of use case. There are several. The woman selling tomatoes, the woman selling clothes, Osho, the market, Idumota. Everywhere you go, so long as they have enrolled themselves as a merchant, then of course the P2P and P2B begins to happen. Thank you.
Amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, the NQR payment solution provides an immense opportunities for increasing contactless and seamless person-to-person, person-to-business, and micropayments for merchants that will boost financial inclusion and drive economic activities in Nigeria.